Funan Art Group, renowned for its creativity and inclusivity, has organized a grand art exhibition at the World Trade Center in Dubai.
In an exciting development, the Funoon Arts Group, a dynamic art organization based in the UAE, is set to make a splash at the 10th edition of World Art Dubai 2024.
The exhibition brings together artists from an impressive 55 different nationalities, showcasing a diverse range of artistic expressions.
With a team of 55 international artists, the group, led by founders Shiba Khan and Farha Khan, is all geared up to showcase their vibrant and diverse artworks at the prestigious event held at the Dubai World Trade Center.
This event promises to be a celebration of culture and creativity, uniting talents from around the globe in the vibrant city of Dubai.
The collaborative spirit and creative energy within the group have left artists and organizers alike thrilled for the upcoming exhibition.
Founder of Funan Art Group Shiba Khan says,
We are here from past 8 years. This is the 8th year we are participating in World Art Dubai. Our relationship is, I will say, it's a journey, long journey. We both grew together, and I am very privileged to be one of the largest gallery participant of World Art Dubai. With this year in 2024, we have 54 artists, 15 different nationalities, and 240 artworks. And these all artworks depict their own stories, they showcase their own stories, and we can say a variety, a diverse range. As I always say, that art is the best way to express, and that is there. The experience over here is tremendous. I'm speechless, I don't have words to, because we can experience a lot of arts. Not only, it is like, mind opening when we see the artwork of many other artists. It's really wonderful, amazing work done by each and every participant over here.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मेरा पहला इंटरनेशनल एग्जीबिशन है, तो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा है. बहुत लोग आए हैं, बहुत लोगों ने आर्ट देखा है, तो अच्छा लगता है.
I'm Afsha Khan, Indian visual artist, and these are my two paintings. This is the Sphinx and this is the Ashoka Stamp, also the Indian emblem. Both of them have vibrant colors, and I personally love Indian architectural paintings.
My name is Marta. I'm from Spain. I grew up in Mexico, so I feel there's a lot of influence in my work for both cultures. It's the first time that I actually participate in an exhibition, so I think World Art Dubai is the best place to start. It's a huge event, a lot of international artists, so I'm actually quite pleased to have the chance to be part of it.
It's been a wonderful opportunity to participate in World Art Dubai. It's actually my first time, and I'm elated to be a part of this wonderful group of artists, to have my work exhibited amongst such good talent. And there's been a quite great interest towards all of our artworks, mine included. About my art, I've always loved working with surrealism and dark fantasy, and I try to explore philosophical concepts through my art.
See, this is a huge market in the arts world. So basically, the people love World Art Dubai. So this is I'm a lucky, I always come and I'll join the World Art Dubai. So this is my luck.
Shiva, this is actually a peace lily plant. It's an excellent air purifying plant, and it is very good to keep in home, office, or just for gifting purpose. And our message is go green.
Oh, that's a wonderful message. Go green, grow more, and be sustainable.
Absolutely, Shiva.
This is the best wooden art wood panel, which made of wood, handmade, and by curving each one of the wooden.
من عادل هستم، کارم در دبی. کار من وود آرت پنل هستش. از چوب استفاده میکنم، چوبا تراشیده شده، بعد به صورت فیس انجام میدم، دیزاین انجام میدیم. هر رنگی، هر دیزاینی و هر چیزی میتونم در اون انجام بدم.
ترکیبی از ورق‌های اکریلیک، ورق‌های پلیمری اکریلیک هستش که در واقع رشته اصلی من تو مقطع دکترا رشته پلیمر بوده که من با ترکیب ورق‌های اکریلیک و آینه یک سری کارهای مدرنی درست کردم که مناسب فضاسازی‌ها و طراحی دکوراسیون هستش.
من سحر دادگر هستم، فارغ التحصیل رشته گرافیک از تهران.
مدت هست که کارهای مختلف در سبک‌های مختلف انجام میدادم. الان 2 سال تو دبی هستم و با خمیرهای مختلف کار برجسته سازی رو انجام میدم.
توی وردار دبی شرکت کردم تا بتونم چند تا کارامو اینجا بذارم. چند تا کاری که میبینید اینا هستن و من دوست داشتم که یه سری کارا برجسته داشته باشم که بتونم نشون بدم که هنر همیشه این نیستش که یه کار تخت و نقاشی باشه و ما میتونیم کار برجسته هم
इतने सारे आर्टिस्ट का इतना सारा काम देख के मतलब अपने आप को इवैल्यूएट करने का भी मौका मिल रहा है, प्लस दूसरों का इतना सुंदर खूबसूरत काम देख के बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Stefania. I'm an Italian artist based in Dubai. My artwork has a different style because I like to try different techniques. For example, that one is oil painting with spatula. This is oil painting but with full of details, and this is an abstract painting. I'm really happy to be here with Funun Art. Funun Art is a big family, and we join every time in World Art Dubai. That is an amazing event that gives us the opportunity to meet other artists, other galleries, other people. Thank you.
So I'm really proud to be able to exhibit in World Art Dubai. Among 4,000 paintings, 3 of mine are exhibited, and I hope they find their forever home and really thanks to Funun Arts to make me a part of this grand event.
I'm Sanya. I'm based in India and I have displayed 12 artworks here, 4 big artworks and the remaining small artworks. Here I have to bring a collection of different mediums and I'm very excited to be part of World Art Dubai. Go Funun Arts.
I am participating in World Art Dubai with Funun, and this is my second time with Funun, and I have displayed one of my art painting, acrylic on canvas and 4 graphics, and that's it. And I like that so many audience are coming and they are visiting and they are asking us also about our artwork.
Hi, my name is Zaylia. I'm from Lebanon and I'm very happy to be participating in World Art Dubai through Funun Arts. I've been painting since I was 8 and these are my portraits.
So my name is Christine Dessa and I'm really proud to be a participant at World Art Dubai at its 10th edition, and this is my first time. It's given me a lot of encouragement and there's amazing art around and I'm so glad to be part of it and produce paintings that are vibrant. I love using lots of color and emoting movement in my artwork.
Hello, I'm Victoria. I represent art of Olga Belikova from Moscow. She's very talented artist.
वर्ल्ड आर्ट दुबई एक बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है इमर्जिंग आर्टिस्ट्स और इस्टेब्लिश्ड आर्टिस्ट्स के लिए, एंड बहुत सारा आर्ट यहाँ देखने को मिलता है एंड यू कैन एक्सप्रेस योर आर्ट एंड अपने पेंटिंग्स को यहाँ डिस्प्ले करने का मौका मिला, इसमें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है.
Very excited about participating in World Art Dubai this year. This is my first time. मैं पहली दफ़ा participate कर रही हूँ. ये मेरा आर्ट वर्क है एंड मेरा मोस्टली फ्लोरल आर्ट वर्क्स होता है बिकॉज आई रियली लव नेचर एंड मुझे फ्लोरल आर्ट वर्क्स करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. जस्ट रियली लाइक इट और मेरे लिए इट्स वेरी सूदिंग फॉर मी, सो आई रियली लाइक डूइंग इट.
आज मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि मैं यहाँ पर आई हूँ और मैं इंडिया से आई हूँ और मैं अपनी इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ अपने काम के थ्रू. मैंने अपने काम में आर्च, विंडो और जितना राजस्थानी जो टच है वही मैंने डिस्क्राइब किया है, और मैंने ये चाय के पानी, कपड़ा, लाइक ऐसी चीज़ों को, फैब्रिक, ऐसी चीज़ों को यूज़ किया है जो हम डेली रूटीन में यूज़ करते हैं. सो मैं अपने इस आर्ट के थ्रू में ये डिस्क्राइब करती हूँ कि हम जो जितने भी हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग्स हैं उन्हें प्रिजर्व करने का ट्राई करें, बिकॉज ऑफ हमारी जो जनरेशन है आने वाली वो ये आर्ट देख नहीं पाएगी, बिकॉज ऑफ हमारा एक भी ओल्ड जो बिल्डिंग्स हैं वो अब बचा नहीं है. सो बस मेरा इंडिकेशन इतना सा है. बट इस वर्ल्ड आर्ट दुबई में आने के बाद में मैं इतना आर्ट को अच्छे से देख पाई हूँ कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे से भी ऊपर बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. सो मुझे यहाँ आके बहुत खुशी हुई है एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अ चांस.
Funun art groups are doing a very good job because they are helping the artists to promote their art and join very big exhibitions, and this is a very good opportunity for all the artists to be well known around the world.
My name is Asif Hussain and I am from Pakistan. I am basically the inventor or pioneer of this relief artwork. I do this artwork in a special sort of a clay which is known as cold porcelain. In that cold porcelain, I make the initial masterpiece, and then we'll make the silicone mold. After the silicone mold is done, then we'll get the final piece in fiberglass, and then it is painted. So my speciality or my basic theme is nostalgia. And I have my gallery in Pakistan, which is known as Nostalgia Galleria. And my basic subjects are the history facades or other historical scenes or other historical paintings, which I convert them into 3D relief sculptures.
My name is Selva. I'm 21 years old. I'm an architecture student, so you can see I love making paintings, architectural paintings. So my first painting is a Dome of the Rock, which is from Palestine. It's a tribute to them. And the second mosque is the Sheikh Zayed Mosque, which I saw in my last visit to Dubai. Both of the paintings are made on acrylic on canvas.
Art lovers visitors talk to the media and say that
Mr. Gilani, today you visited our Funun art exhibition. What do you want to say regarding it?
Well, I actually love the art. I love the artist. I love the diversity. And I love that there's a unique point of view of every artist. And that's actually what you are so excited when you go to see art shows, is there a different point of view? And in this different artists coming together for everybody to shine is unique, and that's what I really love about Funun Arts.
Okay, so do you think World Art Dubai is beneficial for artists and people?
I really do think it is very good because Dubai is a melting pot of so many cultures. The exposure that you have to different people here in Dubai, it's a unique exposure, and it's a platform. And I think every artist should really use that benefit.
So what do you want to suggest to artists that people are not came this year, so they should come next year?
I think every artist should at least try this once. And I know that sometimes for artists it's difficult to manage the logistics and the expense and the cost, and to shipping art is difficult. So even if they don't do it every year, maybe they can do it every alternate year, but definitely use World Art Dubai as a
this stand is a very big stand for Funun Art. They are doing a very good job. They're a big exhibition doing.
Yes.
So what do you want to say regarding them?
Well, I think Funun Art are doing an excellent job. I've seen their group of artists, I've seen the group together, and I think any art group which looks after their artists, you can tell from the spirit of the artists there. And that I can always tell from Funun Art Group.
It's very nice over here. A lot of artists, a lot of artwork to see from all over the world.
It's a lot of lovely art with a lot of vibrant colors and some muted colors, but a lot of art that made me feel really happy while looking at it.
私は日本人のアーティストです。ドバイは今回初めて出品しました。で、他の人のアーティストの作品を見て、皆さんそれぞれすごい個性的で、すごいユーモラスもあり、素敵な作品もあり、すごいインスパイア、刺激受けました。もういろんな面で勉強になりました。
It's my honor to be here, so it's absolutely beautiful to celebrate those people and arts. I'm coming from the art industry also because I am actress. I was actually actress, so I know how it means to a lot to artists to be acknowledged, to be seen.
It's one of the best events and we always look forward to. Every year, me and my friend, we always come and make sure that we check out the new artists and the new styles. So it's always a fascinating experience. Every time there's something new. It's amazing. I mean, such different kind of artworks you get to see, and as my friend Tejal said, it's very inspiring, and we also get different ideas, various kinds, not the typical, but something that we can play with, where people use different medium and something unexpected comes out.